All right, guys, this is a simple way to get antifreeze into your pressure washer. I was looking at the local tool supplier, and the stuff there was like $12 for a little bottle, and I plan on using this thing through the winter occasionally, so I don't want to be dumping liquid gold into the pump and blowing it out several times over the winter. So I did a little bit of digging. Somebody suggested plumbing antifreeze for your RV, and I put a little bit of water wetter in there, coolant additive that'll prevent rust and things like that to make it a little bit safer for the inside of the pump. So made something out of PVC, some 3/4 inch fittings, just a little hose fitting that'll go into this would thread to your garden hose, and an elbow gets it up. Used some 2-inch on top that I had, has a little bit of a reservoir to create lots of room, but it turns out I didn't need too much anyways. I only maybe came up to the neck, and so really, what's that, 8+ inches of 3/4 inch PVC was enough to hold enough coolant to run into this thing. And then up here I just had an air fitting that I got one hand here, an air fitting that's the same as the fitting for the pressure washer hose. Pops in there, so it keeps that open, and might not even be necessary. Let's find out if that's even necessary. I don't know if those valves if that fitting's always open or not. Basically, dump some coolant into my reservoir there, and then just pull this guy a few times. Keep turning the pump over. Oh, you don't even need an air fitting in there. It just flows out of there without having anything in it. So that pump has coolant in it now, and it's flushed out the residual water, and it's safe to store in sub-zero temperatures, -50. That plumbing antifreeze is good for. So there you go. Don't wreck your pump.